sé que me extraña, pero no quieres decirlo, mami.
Mozaku nandito sa studio ko noso.
Un corazón que es
Live
para ti.
están en vivo
Cuán
ahora.
difícil es decidir.
Diga KICKRAUX, Abel, LEXO.
Existir. Y así nos damos una razón para existir.
Ya lo vi los dos totalmente, sí, pongan. El otro man también que puede entrar también con nosotros.
Sé que tú quieres tú,
Vamos a bailar, no sé live o aquí.
pero toca
Live.
que ahora todo está roto.
Ahí está LEXO, creo que es LEXO.
Yo sé que me extrañas, pero no quieres
Decirlo, mami. Right, the cool and found, don't forget. Ahí tenemos con todos los muchachos. Todo lo que está ahora en el main. Tenemos con todo y darle un saludito ahí. Primero que todo, toda la familia Viga KICKRAUX. Abel, LEXO, Crazy Neil. Primero que todo, welcome, first of all. Welcome to the show, Access to Music. We are live. Everybody's watching us right now. We are on Cool FM. We are on Facebook. We are on YouTube. Everybody who's linked up right now with you guys. First of all, let me start giving you guys some props. Tremenda canción. Tremendo flow. I feel the vibe.
Muchas gracias.
Una bendición. Yo vi ahorita que son 4. También saludo que está también con nosotros. Mira, primero que todo, we're gonna do it in English. Más fácil para que todo el mundo comprenda también. Porque hablo con Crazy Neil, tenemos a KICKRAUX, Abel y LEXO. Los muchachos que están aquí dándole y conquistando el mundo con su flow. First of all, welcome to you guys to the show Access to Music. Nice to hear from you guys. Nice to have contact with you guys. I saw this promo about the song, and I was like, no, I have to reach with this guy because it's a vibe that we live in Caribbean, and the Caribbean thing is like they go crazy for it. So for us, it's something like when you listen to some reggae or maybe soca and Afrobeat, you're talking about Caribbean. So tell us a little bit about you guys.
Yeah, absolutely. So first and foremost, DJ101, we just appreciate you reaching out to us. Like you said, this song is about love. It's about unity. It's about, connecting the Caribbean, Jamaica, to the Latin world, and bringing everybody culturally together. I'm a DJ, producer, songwriter. Worked with folks like Diplo. Work with folks, Motown Records, Atlantic Records, just writing and producing songs, of all kind of genres. So, I want to also kind of introduce the guys, Abel y LEXO. Guys, why don't you talk a little bit about yourselves?
Oiga, tenemos aquí a Abel y LEXO también. Abel y LEXO, ¿cómo están? Aquí tenemos todo contacto, todo conectado aquí. Tenemos Crazy Neil, KICKRAUX, Abel y LEXO. Un poquito más de Abel y LEXO, cómo se van y cómo están ahí y cómo han formado parte de este proyecto, que es un buen proyecto, es un nice project.
Exacto. Bueno, nosotros estamos acá bien contentos y agradecidos por la oportunidad de estar acá en nuestra primera entrevista. Es un privilegio para nosotros, más que agradecidos por eso. Y nada, este proyecto surge como uno de nuestros primeros proyectos acá en Argentina, escrito acá en Argentina, grabado acá, en una época de nuestras vidas bastante importante, en la cual disfrutamos demasiado el proceso. Y nada, después de un año aproximadamente, el resultado es este, y siempre el trabajo da sus frutos, ¿no? Tenemos un proyecto bastante grande que van a ir conociendo, que cada vez va a ser mejor, cada vez la vara es más alta. Y bueno, nada, básicamente eso.
Pero déjame felicitarlos porque tenemos we got all 4 on the screen, that's nice. So I see the guy just also in the car too, mi hermano mío, de lo mío, corazón, ya tú sabes. Pero vamos a decirle, let me say in these words, it's just a perfect combination, it's a perfect combo. So when you have the flow, and when when you have a producer that knows the vibe, and they know the flow with the voices, how to link you guys, because normally to mix it up with 2 guys singing sometimes it's difficult. and it makes really nice that people can relate to. So next to you guys, we have I think it's Crazy Neil. It's Crazy Neil that we have. Crazy Neil. But
That's right. That's me.
What's up? What's up? Dime, cuéntame algo, hermano. Tell me something.
I'm. I don't know what you're saying, but I know it sounds good. So you know what? I'm feeling good right now. The song is sounding great right now. Big up to ABEL and LEXO. Big up to KICKRAUX. Thanks for having me on board with this. It's amazing. Love you guys. Love everybody. Love how you guys are loving the music out there. Big up to you in Aruba too. You know it, Tingo. All the way from Jamaica, all the way from Venezuela, all the way from America. We're loud right now.
I got. That's a bougie English though. So I understand the state of going. We got the Caribbean, so we got a vibe too. So that's nice. Our things that are cool and you know, it's big up to you guys, to the family too. So we got people from Jamaica. You know, I got a good friend of mine also from Jamaica that calls Charlie Black. It's a good friend of mine.
Man,
yeah, that's
Charlie Black. So my friend.
Yeah,
he's my friend.
He's my brother, man. He's my brother. So
guys look alike.
But the nice thing is that we got you guys, and you know, just to tell you guys in a like the perfect word is the perfect combo. The combination of you guys together making like the reggae into the Spanish thing, giving the vibe like everybody can relate to. So you know, people sometimes it's not about the language, it's just about the vibe. You understand? So that's the thing. Yeah. And tell me a little bit about what's coming up right now, because you guys got this song. Tell me, La Verdad, who started with the idea and how you guys related to?
Absolutely. So I'll jump in here. So first, you know, Crazy Neil's being a little humble right now. Crazy Neil's actually one of the staples on Latin music. I'm sorry, on in Jamaica, and Mobay specifically. You know, he's the go-to DJ. He knows all the artists. You know, for me, he was one of the first persons I met when I started DJing, and you know, he's been a mentor for me over the years. So I just wanted to make sure I shouted him out for that. But as far as how the song started, we actually originally, ABEL and LEXO are songwriters. And so we actually started by writing some music for an artist who was trying to do a you know, song that was melding the worlds together. They didn't really see the vision, you know, they didn't really see kind of what we saw. And after a while, we decided, you know what, this is such a great song, we got to finish this. And so we went in, you know, we finished the song, and it's so great to see the reaction. It's great to see people just genuinely engage and just get the love and the positive vibes that we were trying to get across here. So yeah,
it's nice. It's nice because I want to congratulate you guys together, because it's a work like a team. You know, it's a teamwork. So to see the man that we have like, the contact with, like, you know, Crazy Neil, to have the contact also in Jamaica. You know, he know the flow, what actually going around the world. So the mix up of the Spanish and the Jamaican, the vibe, it's totally different. That makes that song big. That song is unique. So it's when you it's like when you listen to Afrobeat, like Russian always telling about this one. It's not about the language. It's just about the flow, and you have to understand. The point is that to listen to some good song, because normally when you can just like adapt to, for example, to just make it short, having a Bad Bunny sing in Spanish, and the beat is like a little bit of the reggae and dancehall. You understand, or the people dancing, but they don't know the language. They don't know what they're talking about. You know?
That's right.
And most of the time it's like that too, because people from, it's like in the opposite way too. People from all of Latin America, Latinos, Latin people, the society, listen to a song like the song from Charlie Black, Party Animal. They don't know what they're singing, but because of the vibe of the beats and give you the energy that brings you to the song, that relates you to the song. And I tell you, when I listened to you guys' song, I was like, what? That's a perfect combination. I had to just, you know, send a message and say, hey, I'm really looking forward to you guys. And I tell you, Aruba is loving the song. They
Only
actually,
only Kick Rocks could make that happen.
yeah,
Only Kick Rocks could
kick,
do something like this.
yeah, man,
Only Kick Rocks could blend something like this. So incredible.
yeah.
And actually make it sound good. There's nobody else. You show me somebody. I don't know. I don't know anybody else that can do that. To
No,
be
no,
honest,
for you, for you,
with a
for you.
reggae song, you may hear a dance hall one or a hip hop one, a reggaeton, but not with a reggae song.
Yo,
Done
yo,
like this and actually sounding so great with these two incredible artists, Abel and Lexo, and I've never met.
never.
No, this is the first time we've done anything together. And they're my brothers right now. They're my brothers. You know what I mean? Kick Rock's been my brother, and
Love,
I'm
bro,
so
love.
it's such a pleasure for me to be even a part of this. This is incredible, and to see what it has turned out to be. I know the work that they put in. I know that he was very meticulous in putting this together, so it was bound to be this good.
Nice, 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 nice. Whoa. Boy, I love the man accent though. So I just said I gone good. Some of the good things about it. I still surprised you never met the guys though, the artists. So
Never.
but that's why the word of the name Crazy News is just for you simplified. That's good, man. That's good. Enough respect, man. Enough respect, man. but
Up, big up to Abel and Lexo.
yeah.
Because when I was struggling to get lines together, they were helping me out. They were helping me out. Them and Kick Rock.
All right.
It
Nice,
made me
nice.
sound good. Made me sound good. So
So
big up to them.
So the question right now, the big question is, the millionaire question right now is, what's coming up next for you guys? Because you guys are a great team. I see that you guys create something that can go far from now. From what we
Well,
have
we
now.
we appreciate that, and it was by design. This is just the start. Right now, that's the first record off of a project that we're in the process of releasing. We've got some of what we think are some really, really, really great songs. Abel, Lexo, do you guys want to talk a little bit about kind of some of the songs that we have up next and kind of what we got going on?
Ya, aquí puede
Sí,
hablar un
sí.
poquito de lo que viene ahorita, de lo que ya tienen planificado y lo que viene para el futuro también de ABEL Lexo y con el equipo
Claro, claro,
campeón.
claro que sí, claro que sí. Nada, obviamente empezamos con esto. Esto es un gran comienzo para nosotros, es un gran punto de partida, sobre todo porque estamos trabajando un tipo de música que digamos no es la más popular actualmente y que sin embargo le está yendo increíble. Entonces, nada, estamos muy emocionados por eso y a continuación lo que sigue es más música, géneros capaz un poco distintos, pero nos van a ir conociendo más con respecto a eso. Vienen más música y vienen más videoclips y agradecidos con toda la oportunidad de difusión que estamos teniendo ahora, pero tal cual como lo dijo KICKRAUX, este es solo el comienzo.
Yeah, that's just the beginning. This is just the beginning. So that's nice. Let me do this. We have this one. I just received a tease of a song, but I'm not gonna play it because when it's done and KickRock tell me, hey, you know what? We're ready to set it down. We gonna put it. I love the song. I love the vibe, and I love the time also because I don't sleep early. I sleep late. So when you guys finish with that, that's good. Already feeling this vibe, the new song. Lo que viene ahorita.
If, if you want to play it, you're able to play it, if you want to play it, you're the first person to have it. We're happy to have you play it if you like. We
No,
love that song a lot. So.
I want to tease the people, but I wanted to hold. You know why I want to hold it? Because I know this is when something is nice. They say in Spanish, "Lo bueno se hace esperar." So I'm ready to hold it. So it's nice because you got a link up to Jamaica and to the States, and you got people from Argentina, and I know a lot of people from Argentina. I know also Quevedo Real es que trabaja con Bizarrap también.
Bizarrap.
Sí. And so to see those guys right here and ready to mix something and make it something big out of it. I see you guys soon on stage for sure, on the main stage, and I see you guys in the Latin Grammy too, because of the connection that you guys want to mix it up with the Afrobeat, reggae, dancehall, como dicen, el raga, to the world and make it up with the language that's worldwide right now known, that's Spanish. That's a really perfect combination. So KICKRAUX, the words for Aruba and for the world that's connected with us right now. La invitación para todo el mundo conectar con todos ustedes ahorita desde Aruba para el mundo. To invite everybody to link up with you guys and be ready for more.
I'm gonna pass this one to Abel and Lexo.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you guys do that.
Ya, puedes repetir, amiga, en español.
En Spanish, para toda la gente que la invitación para todo el mundo, de Aruba para el mundo, que conecte con ustedes también, que conecte with you guys, so that they can be updated y puede estar al tanto de lo que viene, because la combinación de KICKRAUX, Crazy Neil y ABEL y LEXO es one of a kind. So la invitación para todo el mundo que conecte con ustedes.
Eso como la invitación Bueno, nada, un saludo primero que todo a toda mi gente de Aruba. Infinitamente agradecido con esta oportunidad, infinitamente agradecido con el apoyo que le están dando a la canción. Como dijimos una vez más, esto es el comienzo de todo y nada, seguiremos trabajando junto a KICKRAUX y junto a Crazy Neil, junto a Joey, que no está aquí con nosotros, pero sí, pero forma parte de nuestro equipo. Y nada, muy agradecido y sigan apoyando.
No, de una. So I want to thank you guys. I want to thank KICKRAUX. I want to thank Crazy Neil. We're gonna be more in touch for sure, because this song is going to enter the top 20 for sure. And to Abel and Lexo, keep it up. Yo sé que I know that's not easy. When you have a song, you have to mix it up with two voices instead of one. So also we do it as a perfect combination. And you know, the Spanish and the English mix is a thing that goes worldwide. And the way you guys did it, I have no words. It's just perfect. Keep it up. And let me tell you something for real right from now, from the heart here. Enough respect for you guys. Enough respect. You know, one love to you guys. And esa es su casa. This is your home. Cool and fam, we are here. And you know that you guys can talk to me. We'll be in touch. So anytime.
Muchísimas gracias, hermano.
Vamos con todo.
Agradecido, amigo.
Vamos a darle con todo, so you guys can count with me and Cool FM. And the next song also, we are going to have the same interview. So get yourself ready for that too. So one love to y'all.
One love,
Respect.
Respect.
Eso, this aquí
Thank you, and Lexo and KICKRAUX and team.
Crazy Neil, boy, Crazy Neil.
Pick up yourself. Outside.
Yeah, Rastafari. Who's your boy?
Vamos ahí, de Venezuela para el mundo, Maracay en la casa.
Eso. La gente de Venezuela, ya tú sabes también, saludos. Dime la verdad. Love the song, boy. Love it. Once again, thank you guys. One love to y'all. Cool and fam. KICKRAUX. Abel y Lexo. Shout out to Joe. It's not there right now. No está ahí con nosotros, pero está. Saludos. And Crazy Neil. Oh, yes. Guys, hermano, thank you. We'll be in touch for the next interview, for the next song. Get ready. Watch love. Eso.